To download the Ingage app on your Windows computer, navigate to ingage.io/download and click Download, which will begin to install the app software. From the File Explorer, navigate to Downloads to find the installer. Unless you're doing two things at once, this should be your most recent download. Double-click to unzip the file, then double-click on the setup file within to finish the process. It may take a moment to download, but upon downloading, Ingage will open and prompt you to log in. Use the same email address and password you used to log in online. With the Ingage app, you can present downloaded content even without access to the internet. While connected to the web, click the cloud icon to download your presentations for offline use. Double-click on a downloaded presentation to begin presenting.